Yeah, if you have a biddable spade suit, let's say it's ace, king, queen 5 times, go ahead and bid your spade suit.
Right.
You've got the master suit.
Have a 10-point hand.
I doubt it if they've both bid. You know, if they've got 18 to 20 points between them and you've got 15, 35, they're not going to have 10. But anyway, let's say that, yeah, they have 4 or 5 spades. Whoopee, you know, yeah, for sure, if you've got a biddable suit. But I'm saying the takeout double is probably not very effective. We're talking about takeout doubles. And you bring up a very good point. Okay, so, as you said, with great shape. All right, let's say it goes 1 club past 2 clubs. Oh, now they're not bidding different suits. They're bidding the same suit. This is a sign-off bid with 6 to 9 points and probably 5 clubs. Now you could go ahead and make a takeout double and say, hey, partner, can you bid a major suit or something like that? So we would like to have something like a 4-4, maybe 2 and a 3, or maybe 3 and a 2, or maybe a singleton or something like that. But if we've got 12 or so points, because this person's trying to sign off, aren't they? Now we're incented to outbid them in one of the majors. And if they've got 3 points and 4 hearts, fine. If we go down 1 or 2, fine. If we knock them up to 3 clubs and they go down 1, better yet. Okay? Next one. 1 spade passed by partner, 2 spades. We make a double. We're committing to the partnership to the 3 level, aren't we? So we better have a little bit more. Maybe we've got a singleton spade. If you have a doubleton, you need even more. 4, 4, 4, 1, maybe 15 points because, you know, we're going to be at the 3 level now, right? So, yeah, that was a sign-off bid, but I'm trying to make a point is when they start bidding the higher ranking suits, now you should have a little more point or a better shape. We like shape, don't we? And shortness in the opponent's suit, we'll turn that into a strength by making a takeout double.
So we make the takeout double. We know they've got the spade, so if our partner has hearts, great.
Yes.
Otherwise,
and what oftentimes happens, to be truthful about this, they've got 5 and 3, we've got 1, 9, and our partner's got maybe 3 or 4 themselves. And then, oh, shoot, you know. But that's still, we want to compete. Do you need to go?
I think I'm going to go.
Okay.
I can't absorb anymore.
That's okay. We're getting close to the end anyway, so.
I'll read my notes and everything.
Yeah. Okay, good. Well, I hope you enjoyed it, and next week we'll finish up. So.
I'll go home and study my notes.
Okay, we'll relax.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, and we're going to finish up in a little bit here. So next one we're going to take a look at is situations when we can or cannot make a takeout double. When the right-hand opponent bids a suit, certainly, yes, if we have the right shape. When the left-hand opponent bids and there are 2 passes, certainly we could do it then too. When partner bids, like 1 diamond, and the right-hand opponent passes, no, we can't double our partner. It's only used for an opponent. So that was the point there. And when the opponent is doubled, we can't make a double when the opponents have doubled. That's when we use this little purplish blue card. We redouble. So we don't double the doubler. It's now a redouble is what we do. And I won't speak a lot about when we use that, but it would have some kind of a meaning if we did want to make it. So we don't double a doubler. We redouble the doubler. Okay. Next hand is they open 1 diamond, and here's our hand. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 points, and a doubleton in that suit. Well, we can't. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Thank you. Good. I guess I was kind of wondering about this hand. And we have a shortness there, doubleton. So we could go ahead. We can't bid a heart or a spade because we don't have a 5, but we could make a double at the 1 level. We have a nice shape. Okay, next one. They go 1 diamond, and this time we're avoiding diamonds. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe 1 more, but we don't know that this suit is that great yet, so we're not so sure of that. But boy, we'd sure like our partner to have a 4-card major, wouldn't we? So yes, we could go ahead and do it here. We only have 10 points, but boy, we have lots of shape here. We have a void, in fact, in the suit, and 4-4 in both of the majors. So it's a takeout double situation. Next, one diamond, and we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15 points. Is this a one no trump situation? No. We don't have any stoppers. We don't have one. We have 0 stoppers, so we can't do that. So this would be another situation where we just make our takeout double. Okay. Then finally, preempts. The opponents love to preempt us, and we love to preempt the opponents. We are contrarians in the game of bridge. So in preemptive bidding, it could be something like opening or overcalling. If they open one club, we could go 2 diamonds. Or if we're opening 2 diamonds, 2 hearts, 2 spades, 3 clubs, 3 diamonds, 3 hearts, 3 spades, 4 of anything, 5 of anything, those would be preemptive bids. Not 2 clubs, because 2 clubs is an artificial strong bid with 22 points or more. We'll cover that next week. Also, overcall preemptively when our right-hand opponent has made a suit bid. I put them in parentheses here. That means the opponents. 1 diamond by our righty. We bid 2 spades. That would be preemptive. 1 spade would be, who knows, 7, 8 points up to 16, 17. Our next one, forget now, that was the first one. This is the second situation. They open 1 heart. If we bid 2 clubs, that would be 12 points or more, so we can't do that. If we want to make a preempt, we have to jump to the 1 level higher. 3 clubs. Maybe we've got ace, king, jack 7 times and not much else. That might be a situation to just go ahead. Be careful about the vulnerability, though. I don't know if I'd do it if I was vulnerable and they were not. Okay. If the opponents make an overcall, we should be careful. If it goes something like 1 diamond over here, 2 clubs, that would be not a preempt, would it? That would be just with the 12 points or more. If it goes 1 spade and we go 2 hearts, once again, those, even though it's at the 2 level, it's at the cheapest level, so these are just opening hands. Are you with that? If on the other hand, if it happened to be, so they start 1 diamond and we go 2 hearts, then that is the preemptive situation. Okay. 1 spade, pass, 2 spades, double. That's not for penalty, and this is that situation we spoke about before. This is just like a type of an overcall, but we call it a takeout double. Okay. Preemptive range. Well, it shouldn't be an opening hand of 12, 13 points or more. So normally, like, some people might do it with 5, I guess. King, queen, 6 times of spades. But around 6-ish points, up to about 11, not 12 points, or we just make a straight bid. We also probably have some distribution points, don't we? We have a 6-card suit. Ace, queen, 6 times. I have ace, queen is 6, and I have 2 distribution is 8. Okay. 2-level preempts are 6-card suits. 3-level preempts, 7-card suits. 4-level preempts, 8-card suits. Hopefully it's 4 and a major. Wouldn't that be nice? 4 hearts or 4 spades. Suit quality, we normally like to have 2 of the top 3. I wouldn't do it with just queen 6 times in a suit. That would be very undisciplined. Let's say I go 3 diamonds with queen 7 times in the suit. And my partner thinks, oh, they've got 2 of the top 3. We'll go in 3 no trump because I've got the king 2 times in diamonds. I can certainly get to my partner. And well, we've only got the queen. They'll never get to promote the suit. So we want to have some pretty good honors in our preempt suit, not in the other side suits. Generally, we don't have more than 1 useful honors in the side suits. And let me give an illustration of that. That would be a situation such as, let's say it happens to be the heart suit. We've got double 10 in spades and a heart suit. We're making a 2-heart opener, and we have ace, queen, 3, 4, 5, 6. You wouldn't want to do it with like a 2 side suit kings. In fact, if you do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, it's too many points. Well, you say, well, but what if we've only got ace and out? So it's double 10 in spades. Ace, 2, 3. Oh, we'll give it 10. 4, 5, 6. And then over here we've got a queen. And over here you've got a king. Well, you've got some useful outside honors here. I'm not sure that that's a good time. I'd really rather have that king to be in the long suit. So I wouldn't do it when I have two useful outside honors. Not normally a good thing to do. Obviously, vulnerability is a factor. If we're vulnerable, we're going at the 2 or 3 level or things like that. That's something. And if the opponents are starting to come in, let's say it goes 1 diamond, pass, 1 heart, and I want to go 2 spades or 3 spades with my 7-card suit. You know, they haven't got a fit yet. They might do like what happened just today. I was telling you, partner goes 2 spades, go down 4 for 1,100 points. Vulnerable, and they didn't have a fit, and I didn't have a fit with my partner. Okay, here's an example. Here's our hand. They open 1 diamond. Some people would just want to do 1 spade. I don't have a problem with that. But if you bid 2 spades, it sure makes it hard for this person, doesn't it? Okay. If you're friends with your opponents, maybe just do 1 spades. Party bridge. Okay, next. Open 1 diamond, and here's our next hand. Do we want to preempt this hand or not? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15 points.
I just did it as an opening.
I would just 1 spade. In fact, let's say your partner's got 2 or 3 spades. We're not going to lose any spade tricks. We're going to lose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 losers. If our partner can cover 3 losers, it'll get us down to 3. 6 minus 3 leaves 3 losers. And 3 losers sounds like you make 10 tricks. 10 tricks sounds like game to me. So if your partner's got 3 kings, or an ace and a king and a couple queens, something like that, we'll make game. So we don't need that much from our partner. So I would not preempt telling our partner we're weak with a hand like this when I only need 3 tricks probably to make a game. Okay, next one. They open 2 diamonds, and here's our hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clubs. Do we want to come in at 3 clubs? Answer is no. We don't mix preempts. If they preempted, we should have a real hand if we're going to overcall. You know, if they opened 1 diamond and this was spades, yeah. So we really, if we were first at bat, we would open this 3 clubs. But because they preempted 2 diamonds, somebody's got a lot of points. But I don't want to deceive my partner and bid 3 clubs, them thinking I've got 14, 15 points or more, which I should have at least that amount if I'm coming at the 3 level. So this one, we don't mix preempts. If the opponent's preempted and we've got a long suit, is our partner entitled to have a lot of hearts or spades? There's 6 here. We've got 7 in this suit. Somebody's got a lot in the majors, don't they? Don't you think? So just wait. Just be patient. And I think that finishes it for today. So do you have any final questions?
2 clubs is a certain number of points.
Ubiquitous strong bid. So first off, up until about the 40s, the 50s, most everybody said all 2-level bids are strong. 2 clubs is strong. 2 diamonds, 2 hearts, 2 spades are all strong bids. And eventually people, why don't we just make 2 clubs just generally strong, and then you can show your suit later. You go 2 clubs, I go 2 diamonds. Now, if you have a 5-card major, 2 hearts or 2 spades, fine. We don't need to have you start with 2 hearts or 2 spades. Instead, we'll use 2 hearts and 2 spades for weak bids with 6 long. We like this obstructive, preemptive bidding. So 2 clubs is the catch-all. Usually your partner will go 2 diamonds, and then we'll see where we go from there.
Isn't there some bid, though, that's not what it really sounds like? But
2 clubs is it.
Signaling some huge amount of points?
Yeah, that's the 2 club. 22 points or more.
Yeah, okay.
And who knows? You're a woman of mystery. We don't know your suit yet.
Right.
I mean, I happen to know what it is because it's probably the suit that I'm short in, right? if I've got a singleton or doubleton spade, I can just about guess you're the person who's got the spades. And if I've got 5 hearts, well, I might want to bid 2 hearts, but I should have 2 of the top 3 honors to do that, because it means I think we got a chance for slam, partner. And that's the time when I would not bid 2 diamonds, is when I think we have a pretty good hand, and I've got a pretty good suit.
So I got 22 points at least.
You got 22.
And you apparently have a bunch of points. So.
Yeah, and if we've got 33 as a partnership, if I've got 10 points and you've got 22 plus, I think we're going to be in slam. Okay, well, thank you very much for that great questions. And so last week we will finish up with the strong 2 club bid. How about if partner opens 1 no trump and we make a stamen bid 2 clubs? That's another use of the 2 club bid. 1 no trump, 2 clubs.
So that doesn't, that's
Yeah.
not just an honest bid.
That's not. It's a conventional. Yeah. Sam Stamen said, we got to have some way to find a 4-4 fit. I'm tired of this not finding a 4-4 pit. When my partner opens 1 no trump, they could have 4 hearts or 4 spades. And if I have 4 hearts or 4 spades, we got to have some way to find it. And said, let's use my 2 club bid and call it the Stamen bid, named after me. And that was where it came from.
In that case, it's not saying you have 22 points or more.
No, because your partner has 15 to 17.
Right.
And if I have 10 points or more, I know we have enough for game. 15 and my 10 or more. So that would be a time to use it.
Would you use it if you didn't have any clubs at all?
As a matter of fact, that is the best time to use it. Because say I've got no points and no clubs.
No points?
Yeah, let's just say I've got no points. Do I want to play in 1 no trump? My partner's going to get mowed over.
I see. So you're
But if I get you to bid diamonds, hearts, or spades, now we can do something.
something.
Yeah, so it's called a garbage statement. It's meant to be a statement, but it turns out it's a special use. Is that, and some people play, well, I don't play garbage statement. Well, it's not whether you play it or not. You're saving your partner from going down a bunch in no trump. So, yeah, you would use it when you're very short. But when you've got 8 or 9 points and only a doubleton in clubs, but you have 4-4 in the majors, that's a perfect time. If your partner has 17, you've got 8. If you find a 4-4 fit, fine. And if they have enough. So that would be a time. Okay, thank you. Enjoyed as always. And we're going to wrap it up next week.